So hi everyone, DeepSeek is back in the generative AI race and now they have released an upgraded version to their existing model, that is DeepSeek V3, which was released last in late December 2024, and this is their non-reasoning LLM. The new update is called as DeepSeek V3-0324 and the model can be accessed for free. The weights are open source and even in the default version of deepseek.com the model is free to use. So before we jump on to test the model, I was just going through the DeepSeek subreddit where I was trying to understand what are its key features, because the team has released just nothing, no benchmarks, no specifications, and now people are figuring out how good the model is. So some of them are saying it is great with role playing. It is also said that it is very nice to use, and I was also reading somewhere that it is great with coding task now alongside mathematics. So let's try out the model now. So how to use the model for free? You just need to go to deepseek.com, go to their chat interface, and here don't turn on anything. Now the default version is now DeepSeek V3-0324 as mentioned in their WeChat group. So I will be testing out it for some coding task. Let's see what it generates. Generate a Python script to play chess. I won't be testing out the code. I just wish to see how long the context it has got, because someone was saying that they tested out this particular prompt for playing chess and it generated some superb results. Apart from that, as someone was mentioning, it was a great with role playing also. So let me try that too. As I can see, it has started coding. Someone said that the length of the output has increased significantly and the model has gone great with mathematics also. So do try out the model with your prompts as well. And though they have mentioned that it's a small update, it is from nowhere looking a small update as people are saying. It is looking to be a huge one. And I think once the benchmarks are out, we should be in for a treat as well. As you can see, it is actually outputting a longer answer and it is outputted as an entire script now alongside features. This is DeepSeek V3-0324, my friends. It's not the older model. Now let's try out a role playing prompt. You are Elon Musk. Pitch a startup on that creates pens. Now let's see the magic how it goes with role playing also. The model size is 685 billion as similar to the previous model, so it's huge, and they haven't released any distilled version as well, so I think that's a lacuna that they have, but I think still fine. If the API is free, that I've already discussed in my previous video how you can create the free API also, and now they are providing the model for free on deepseek.com also, so I think that's fine. Now here you can see that it has like created an answer considering Elon Musk for selling pains. This is reading good, and I think the model is looking good. I will be testing out further on different problem statements and let you know by the time you can use the model for free on deepseek.com. Alongside, it is available on Hugging Face as well. Alongside, you can use the free API as well from Open Router. Thank you.